Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter at stockmarketmentor.com. This is your chart of the day. Want to follow up on a chart that I shared with you about 9 days ago or so, and that is Uber, ticker UBER. Now, Uber had been consolidating. It was on this day here that I shared the chart with you. It's been consolidating around a cluster of moving averages. Now, if you're new to trading, I want to tell you I love when moving averages cluster together because a lot of times they can act as a pretty clear resistance level, but then flip to a pretty clear support level. And that seems to be what has happened here with Uber, where it was battling against this 45.30 level, which was the level that I told you to watch 9 days ago. And it couldn't get above, couldn't get above, couldn't get above. Finally got above, and you can see the volume coming into the stock as anyone who was short Uber was then forced to cover, and then momentum buyers come in, and it kind of, helps push the stock higher. So this is definitely one to watch as it looks like it's trying to break close to its recent highs up here at around 50 bucks. And so that would be a potential swing target for anyone who took this trade. I think that $50 level probably going to act as short-term resistance. What happens after? Obviously, we don't know. But I think that $50 level will probably get tested before the lows get tested right around that $42 level. So in my opinion, this is definitely one you want to watch for that potential retest of the highs right around 50 bucks. So I hope that video is helpful. If it was, you should definitely check out what we're doing over at stockmarketmentor.com. Take a trial, click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.